I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your phone supports eSIM and has an unlocked SIM slot. This matters because an incompatible device won't accept the profile. Once done, open the Dent app and sign in. Make sure your account has funds or credits, since purchases require payment before activation. You'll also enable mobile data permissions. This allows scan and install. Finally, browse available eSIM plans briefly to select the right region and data amount. Then tap Purchase to start the provisioning. You now complete the purchase and proceed to installation. After payment, Dent provides either an in-app install flow or a QR code. Use whichever your phone prefers. When you choose Install, your device will prompt to add a cellular plan. Accept and label the line so you can identify it later. Make sure to set the eSIM for data or select it as secondary for calls if needed. Once the profile downloads, check Signal and monitor the app for activation status to confirm connectivity. You finish by activating the profile and verifying service. Go to Settings, enable the new eSIM line, and choose it for mobile data. This ensures traffic uses the correct plan. If you don't see Signal immediately, restart the phone and recheck APN settings. Dent usually sets them automatically, but manual entry may be required. If problems persist, reinstall the eSIM profile from the app. And as a key troubleshooting tip, capture app logs and contact Dent support with screenshots and device model to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.